Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Hooverlux. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel, Cześć, jak się masz, and howdy y'all. So today I have got this really large box on my bench. Now this was delivered to me by the lovely Wayne, as always, from Parcel Force. And here we have some stickers on it saying, fragile, handle with care. So, I don't know whether those stickers are for Wayne or for the vacuum or for me. Now, before I unbox this thing, it's not very well packaged. I bought it from eBay. Now, the first time I saw this was on Roger's channel, Ibasiac. That's the first time I saw it, and he was really impressed with it. So I was like, if one of these ever come up, I wouldn't mind having one. So one did recently. So if you go back and check on his channel under the playlist of Panasonic, I think it's Panasonic, go back and take a look and you'll see it there. This is the Panasonic icon. I can't remember off the top of my head if this is the same one as his, but it's the same kind of brand. So he said it was really good, and he's done demos on it and mess tests on it and stuff, and he did genuinely say it was very good. So I'm pleased to have one to try it. So without further ado, let's take off my makeshift handle so I could carry it to the car with one hand. Now, I have a feeling that this is going to be some sort of, not so much of an unboxing, but an opening. Yeah. Let me slice the tape off the top. And let me slice the tape off the bottom. I hope it's come in one piece. Now there is damage with this, but I spoke to, I can't remember if it was George from AEG or Steve, I can't remember, and they gave me some advice. So, it's like a coffin. No, you're going to see this before I do. Ah, right, okay. Polystyrene. Packaging. A bit of plastic, that doesn't look very good. Packaging. Carrier bags. Packaging. Okay. Ah. Okie dokie. There's a wheel. And there's a lot of bits of plastic. There wasn't much, considering the amount of packaging that was in there, there wasn't really that much packaging on the actual vacuum itself. So I can see that one of the wheels is smashed here. Right, let me leave the box there. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take a picture of this so I can send it to the seller, because I knew that one side of this was broken, but this is really broken. This has been dropped, the whole mechanism on it. Right, okay, let me go take a picture of this first and then I'll come back to you. So I've just taken some pictures of it, and I've sent a message to the seller. Now, I mean, even this part as well is all broken. The bumper guard, the pieces that come across here to protect it, these have all smashed off as well. this cover of something. That's all smashed off. The wires of this are now bare, which is it's going to be unusable, to be honest, because this whole thing is smashed. The spring has come off it as well. Now this is the Panasonic model number MC-E581K, 1500 watts, serial number 516371, Matsushita, in Spain. So that, this is made in Spain. Now this has been dropped heavily from the bottom. Even this cover here is smashed off as well. The whole of the underneath of this is just completely smashed to pieces. Now I knew that one of these was missing. That should be, I think, that's supposed to go inside there in the wheel. I knew that one of these was missing from the photographs, which it showed clearly, but when I'd spoken to a friend of mine, he said, look, it doesn't matter, but you can just take the other one off, which is this one, and it's not going to cause any major problem, because it's only supposed to really keep it kind of like steady when it's in upright, when it's in that mode, stop it from tipping back. So I was like, nah, that doesn't really bother me, to be honest. The rest of it is fine, but it's not, because all of this is also smashed as well. I paid 30 quid for it with free delivery, and to be honest, I'd have rather have paid more for it to have it all packaged properly, because it's a real shame that it's now knackered. I can't use it. The brush roll on this is massive. It's huge. I don't know how many rows of 1, 2. It's got 3 rows of very, very thick brushes with edge cleaning, which are softer brushes, right up to this edge. This is where the motor is. So if I put the the pieces to one side, and let me just readjust the hose. Which goes there. If I move it down a bit, it's got a cord inside it, and that works really fine. Didn't come with any tools or anything, but it didn't bother me. Inside there, I can't release the handle because all of this is all smashed, so I can't release the vacuum cleaner back. If we turn it over, and that's the seller. If you are happy with our service, tell the world and leave 5 out of 5 stars. If not, please tell me via the message of the seller. Well, yeah, came from Birmingham. So yeah, I'm positive that they will sort it out, but it's a bit gutted. They put that on, thank you for your purchase and fast payment, but the machine is broken. That's the first machine actually I've had that's broken. Inside here, it's got a bag full indicator on it. There's a filter behind there. Then we have the bag there, which is manky, so and full of cack, so I'm going to take out that. There we go. Goodbye bag. There's a sponge filter at the bottom, which is completely disintegrated, so I'm going to take that off. There's a lot of dust, carbon dust here. Let's give it a quick vacuum out. So I think there should be some form of post motor filter here, but that's not in it. That's missing. It's got a variable speed. Right, let's switch it on. Now where's the on and off switch? Hang on. Oh, that's it. That's the on and off switch. Which is such a shame because this cable and everything works really well. Right, let's plug it in. I'm just going to put this back on it. It's got really, really good suction on it. The motor on it sounds really good as well, considering what it's been through. And it doesn't actually smell too bad in there as well. I can't touch anything, and I have to unplug it because all of this is now bare. So if I were to touch any of this, I'd have an electric shock because it's all live. But the brush roll on it is absolutely massive. No wonder it works really well. I can imagine it working really well. Oh, what a shame. This is going to be a very, very short video for this. I'm really gutted. Like I said, they said there's, when you pop it out, there's two back wheels here which stick out to help you prevent it from tipping over. But in the picture, one of them was broken. But like I said, it didn't really matter. I was just going to remove it anyway because it still stands up on its own. The cord rewind works really well, I can see. Like I said, it didn't have its tools, but it didn't matter. I just wanted to test its performance. Right, let's move you guys back a bit. So unfortunately, this is a very quick video on my Panasonic MC-E581 variable speed direct control vacuum cleaner. I'm really gutted. Even the beta bar on and off doesn't work on it. I can't release the vacuum because this back knob thing is broken as well. It's such a shame because, like I said, the only issue it had was with one of those wheels and the rest was fine. But this has absolutely been dropped from a very, very high height. And it has smashed the whole of the underneath of it, including the wheels. This part here, it's completely unusable. But like I said, I'll get my money back for it, so I'm not really worried. But it's just a shame, really, because I really wanted to see what it was like. So I've sent a message to them saying that if I can have a refund, and then they can come and collect this and pick it up and take it away. If they don't want to collect it, then give me the refund, then that's fine. I'm just going to leave it in the corner for spare parts in case I come across another one in the future that needs bits for it, because I really would like one. I'd really like to try it. But yeah. Oh, what a shame. No, that's not too bad actually, considering I've been doing this now for almost 2 years, and this is only the second one that's come smashed. The other one was the Electrolux up there, the three, hang on a second. The Electrolux 330, that was another one that came unpackaged properly and was broken, but the seller came out with a replacement one, so that was fine. But yeah, this one, it's going to have to either go back or sit over there for parts until I can find another one. Which is such a shame because, like I said, I really gutted because it really works really well. I'd love to try it. So I'll keep my eyes out for another one. It's not meant to be. Doesn't matter. At the end of the day, it's only a little bit of brittle plastic made in Spain. So, very short today. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe for more videos. And I will see you all very soon in the next episode. Bye y'all.